Okay, so our topic for today is all about radical. So radical expression. So radical is an expression that uses a root such as square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, and so on. So n root of a raised to m. So nth root of a raised to m. Okay, so that is a radical expression. So the three components of radical expressions are, we have number one, we have the degree or index. So this is the number of times the radicand has been multiplied by itself. Okay, so this is the degree or index. So cube root of 27. Okay, so that is the number of times the radicand has been multiplied by itself. So ilang beses na minultiply yung number para maging 27? Tatlong beses. Okay, so anong number yun? Yung imumultiply mo ng tatlong beses para maging 27. That is 3 times 3 times 3 that is 27. Yung 3 dito, hindi yung 3 na ito yun, hindi yung root niya. Kundi yung root dito is yung tatlong beses mong minultiply yung number na yon. Tulad nito, 3 times 3 times 3. So ilang beses nating minultiply para magkaroon ng 27? Tatlong beses. Okay? Another example, square root of 9. So ilang beses nating imumultiply yung number para makakuha ng 9? Okay, correct. Dalawang beses. So ano yung number na yon? That is 3 times 3. So ilang beses nating minultiply yung 3? Dalawang beses para makakuha ng 9. Okay? Another part is the radical symbol. So the radical symbol, that means root of. The length of the horizontal bar is important. Okay. So this is the radical symbol. Ito siya. Okay. So that is the radical symbol or radical sign. So cube root of 27. Yung haba daw ng horizontal bar ay importante. Bakit? Halimbawa, meron tayong cube root of 27 AB. Ibig sabihin, ang merong cube root lang ay yung 27 dito. Kasi yung AB ay hindi kasama. Kasi hanggang dito lang yung symbol natin. Okay? Pero kung kasama yan, dapat habaan mo siya hanggang dito. Yung napapayungan siya. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi siya napayungan ng horizontal line, hindi siya kasama sa radical sign. Okay? Next is the radicand. That is the number or the value that you are taking the root of. Siya yung number sa loob ng radical symbol. Yan. So, yung 27 dito is what we call the radicand. Dito, 27AB is the radicand. Pero pag hindi siya pag hindi napayungan yung AB, ang radicand lang ay yung 27. Since napayungan siya ng horizontal line hanggang dito, ang radicand natin ay 27AB. Okay, so naintindihan? Dito pala, sa square root, tandaan nyo itong square root na yan, ha? Square root of 4. Ibig sabihin, pag walang number dito, walang index, ibig sabihin yan, 2 ang nakalagay. Pag square root kasi, or 2, hindi na sinusulat dito sa part na to. Ganyan lang siya. Square root of 9, square root of 16. Okay, ganyan lang. So, pag wala, ibig sabihin that is 2. Okay, so naintindihan? Okay. Okay, so that is radical and the three components. Okay.